Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll go over how to draft an expert retention letter. This is part of discovery also. As you know, experts explain technical, medical, financial, or scientific issues that a judge or a jury would normally not understand on their own. Experts help prove standard of care, causation, damages, such as future medical costs, lost earnings, liability issues, and much more. As you know, also, there are many types of experts, and this includes medical, life care planners, accident reconstruction, engineering defects, vocational, economic, pharmacists, nursing experts, human factors, and many more. Experts must have the appropriate education, training, and experience. So, the first thing to do is you will send an email or call the expert's office and ask him if he's willing to draft an expert report for you. And if so, draft a formal letter and send the expert any documents and pleadings your attorney would like him to review, such as pleadings, discovery reports, photos, charts, police reports, etc. Also, add specific questions your attorney wants addressed. The expert will then prepare a report with his opinions by the due date. So, again, review your scheduling order. Now, let's draft the letter. So, this is a letterhead dated at the expert's address and case information. The first paragraph lets him know that which records are enclosed. The second paragraph, you will add a brief summary of the case or the incident, including dates um, and location. And the third paragraph in this letter is asking him to schedule an exam, review documents, prepare a life care plan, and draft an expert report with his opinions. And you will add a deadline for this. Again, review your scheduling order. In the following table, make a list of all the documents you are enclosing. If you have way too many records, you may create a Dropbox link or another type of link, and that makes it easier. And that is it. Sign it, and of course, you will create the link. And some final notes: calendar the deadlines that the expert report is due. The expert may prepare an invoice for payment prior to him drafting his report. Also, make sure you request the expert's CV, fee schedule, and testimony list. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you have any questions.